Take a look at the 2016 Silverado 1500. The Chevy Silverado 1500 has the lowest cost of ownership of any full-size pickup. This vehicle has less than 130,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, daytime running lights, remote keyless entry, mirror memory, mirrors power, passenger, cruise control, power door locks, power windows, power steering, tilt steering wheel. This vehicle offers reliability and good looks at a great price. So come in and take a test drive today.